Welcome back to San Antonio Living. If you are having a hard time seeing or you're tired of your glasses, we've got some special information for you this morning. Dr. Iskander is here with San Antonio Eye Specialist. It's good to see you.
Good to see you.
This is exciting because I was reading this morning about you guys, and you said that you have the only CZ LASIK laser in Texas. That means you've got the bzeiss technology out there.
We have the Carl Zeiss excimer laser.
Okay.
The Carl Zeiss, if you're a hunter, if you're a photographer, you know what a Carl Zeiss lens, what that means. It means precision optics, a combination of precision optics and the finest laser beam on the U.S. market.
Wow.
Produces a great visual result for patients.
Okay, so who would be a good candidate for the CZ laser?
Well, patients with nearsightedness,
Okay.
patients with farsightedness, and even patients with astigmatism. There's a myth out there that astigmatism cannot be treated with LASIK, and that is not correct.
You know, a lot of people suffer with those glasses on. I don't understand because it is so annoying. Sometimes contact lenses can drive you crazy with the allergies we have here in San Antonio. It is very easy to get your eyesight fixed these days.
That's correct. And not everyone that walks into the office is an ideal candidate
Sure.
for LASIK. However, we are not only a LASIK practice, we are a refractive practice. We offer all sorts of vision correction procedures like LASIK. Another popular one is PRK that is very popular with military fighter pilots and special forces. The ICL, or the implantable lens, that's used with patients with very high degrees of nearsightedness. Someone who's, for instance, minus 15 or minus 16. That patient cannot see their hand in front of their face. That is correctable. We can do a combination of procedures for patients who are 45 years or older who have problems with their natural lens. It's called the dysfunctional lens syndrome, where you have problems with distance, you can't see up close. We can change the lens and give them distance, close, or intermediate. So there are many options.
Well, that's a lot of different options for you out there. And not only do I like hearing it from you, but I also like hearing from some of the people that you've treated. So let's take a listen to one of your clients.
I was wearing contact lenses, and I was wearing glasses and prescribed sunglasses as well, and I had astigmatism. The freedom of not having to deal with that anymore and being able to see is just amazing. I actually just got my procedure done last year, and the only thing I regret is not doing it any sooner.
I bet you hear that a lot from people, that they regret they didn't do it sooner.
Yes, yes. It's life-changing.
It really is life-changing, isn't it? I mean, you can go about your daily lives so much easier when you don't have to remember your glasses, your contacts, things like that. In fact, that client, she's actually a belly dancer?
She is.
I love that.
She is. And of course, in her profession, she moves a lot, and she cannot be wearing glasses.
You cannot wear glasses when you're a belly dancer.
And even contacts can irritate her eyes, so it was perfect for her.
Absolutely. Serving all types, and of course, it is so much easier. Let's talk about downtime, too, because a lot of people worry about the procedure. There really is no downtime.
Not really much. It's the day of the procedure. You go home. I instruct everyone to sleep for about 2 to 4 hours, and then they can go back to work the next day.
Okay. We mentioned a lot of different things this morning. We talked about the CZ laser. We talked about implantable contacts. So many different options for you. A lot of it is online. If you check out the website, you will be able to find a ton of great information about San Antonio Eye Specialists. They've got everything listed there on their website, which is mysayeyes.com. And you do have a special offer for San Antonio Living viewers, right?
We do.
Okay, so here it is, guys. $1,600 savings on CZ LASIK using the CZ technology if you give them a call, right?
That's correct.
Okay, mention San Antonio Living. You can see the special offer right there, and there is the phone number to call. San Antonio Eye Specialists, 822-9800 with Dr. Iskander. Thank you so much for coming this morning.
Pleasure as always.
Always good to see you. All right, guys, there's the information. San Antonio Eye Specialists on Paisano Parkway. Everything you need to know on your screen. Alana?